Kerela. It's said to be God's own country. इसका अगर कोई और रीज़न हो तो पता नहीं. But the things I experienced, I got the answer. Nature. The greenery I saw and the beauty, it's just mind-blowing. People have constructed their homes without destroying the essence and beauty of nature.
Hi guys, welcome to Payyanur. This is our hometown.
Unity. Here people are together celebrating festivals, games, without creating any kinds of issues related to caste or religion, which I loved and liked the most. Energy and the enthusiasm which here people are having is commendable. Like for onam some games will happen, and I experienced like people who are of 60 plus age, they are also having energy up to next level. For me it was a feeling of coming to home itself. It was so peaceful. According to me, traveling is not about exploring expensive places or exploring exotic places. But according to me, traveling is exploring all the local places, how people are staying, how people are getting involved with each other. The peaceful part for me was experiencing the beach feeling again. Almost after 10 or 11 years, I went to some beach and felt the essence of sea. It was so peaceful. I didn't got much time to explore more places, but these all small places also were so beautiful. Everyone must visit Kerala. My friend says, Habibi, come to Kerala. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Keep traveling, keep enjoying life. Forget all the stress. Try to be happy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.